Walking is man's best medicine. Walking stands out because it's equipment free and accessible anytime. Just lace up your shoes and start moving. Hi, I am VVS Lakshman and it is my pleasure to welcome Dr. Abhishek, a celebrated expert in bone health who will share valuable insights on the importance and benefits of walking. Doctor, what are the long-term benefits of walking and how long should one walk?
Thank you, Mr. Lakshman. It's a great pleasure talking to you. So today we're going to talk about walking. Walking, I absolutely love it. Walking is something which I advise to each and every patient who comes for my consultation. So the best thing about walking is like you don't need any special gadgets, just a pair of nice walking shoes and you can hit the road. Any age, any sex, anybody can walk and they should walk. Approximately 20 to 30 minutes, 3 times a week should be sufficient. Walking keeps you healthy, walking keeps your heart in perfect condition, walking keeps your lung very happy. It doesn't let other diseases like sugar, hypertension catch you. So walking short term, long term is always beneficial. So keep walking.
Thank you, Doctor. How does walking compare to other forms of exercise for overall bone health?
Oh yeah, so that's really important. So walking is a non-impact exercise. You load the joint only within permissible limits. And walking, what good does it do? You'll be amazed to know that walking helps so many systems in the body, musculoskeletal system, vascular system. Like it increases the blood flow, it makes the muscles stronger. It helps in proprioception also. So in a way we can say that the nervous system is also affected. In a positive way. So when we walk, we maintain balance, our nerves get stimulated, the tendency to fall becomes much less. So basically it's like a practice, it's like a challenge which you are giving to your nerves. And many a times we don't think so much about it, but walking is such an amazing exercise. It helps in maintaining our body and our nervous system, our musculoskeletal system, our vascular system healthy and alive and fit. Incidence of osteoporosis actually also reduces if you walk, because as the muscles get increased blood supply, the blood supply to bones is also through muscles. So the bones also get more blood supply and they become stronger.
Thank you. Doctor, what are the misconceptions of walking for osteoarthritis patients?
Oh yes, Mr. Lakshman, that's probably the most important question which you have asked me. So there are so many myths and misconceptions about walking. Many times patients come to us and ask if they are going to walk, their knee is going to get wear and tear, more wear and tear. The knees are going to get worn out and they are going to get osteoarthritis prematurely. This is absolutely false. So walking, it helps the joint, it rather lubricates the joint rather than making it bad or making it damaged. So the only thing which one should avoid is going down steep inclinations or walking steep slopes. That should be avoided. And secondly, stair climbing, that should also be avoided as a walk. Like as a normal day-to-day thing, you can do it if you need to do it, but for the purpose of walking, stairs should be avoided. So if you avoid these things, of course, walking is absolutely a fantastic exercise. I tell all my friends, all my relatives, all my patients to walk, walk and walk. So walking is the most amazing exercise, and I would end with that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Abhishek, for your valuable insights on the benefits of walking. As we all know, long walking sessions help boost endurance and enhance our fitness levels. Let's continue to spread awareness about the importance of walking and encourage the India Walks initiative.